Good afternoon, everyone. It is Matthew at MSL Trade, MSLTRADE on Twitter. That's my Twitter handle. You can follow me there. Receive these daily updates of the opening range breakout. What happened today? It is September 17th, 2015, Thursday. Let's get right to it. SPY, something happened in the afternoon, i.e. the Fed market sold off. For whatever reason, the price action wasn't positive on it. But let's see where the money was. CANF at, when is this? 1036. We had an opening range breakout, a pullback into the exponential 8-period moving average on a 1-minute chart. That's our buy on particularly low volume. Look compared to this breakout. And it got on with what it got on, 30%, 20%. I don't care if you sold it at 3%, okay? At least you're making money and you're leaning in the positive direction. That's what we're about. You will note that this level is significant. It tried to do it at 951, 952, okay? And it couldn't. It retraced back. So you know if it can't hold this particular level of the opening range breakout right off the opening print, that's significant, okay? And then it busts through it, pulls back. That's where all the pros gather the shares, and you get with the pros and you take your profits. SHOP, similar dynamic. I didn't have this opening range breakout when 1047, lean into strength 10%. TGTX, one we had, opening range breakout almost immediately. We give it 15 minutes on, 15, 20, half hour. That high happens right away. Pull back in the exponential 8-period moving average. You can look at my box. 9%, 14% move into the afternoon, but let's lean in the right direction of these stocks. ITCI, same dynamic. This, it's a different stock every day, same pattern. Let's get with the buying. SQNM. This ended flat for the day. Didn't really work for us. We preferred to go in positive direction, but guess what? We didn't get crushed. ACHN, opening range breakout later in the afternoon. I'd set a price alert for this. It flopped around, kind of did nothing the entire day. 247, it moved. I didn't have it. I observed, but at least I knew about it when it happened. There wasn't a great entry right away on it. You can argue right there, but I like my entries almost immediately after it pokes its head through. And positive price action. ZUMZ, another one I didn't have, but I had observed it. 1103, 1102. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I didn't have it, but 4% flopped around into the close. VNDA, opening range breakout, 1033. Buy into the exponential moving average. When it pulls back on light volume, you see this high volume on the push, and on the retreat, low volume, up 2% into strength. IRBT flopped around, sold off with the rest of the market. Down 1%. We'll take it with the averages of positive percentages with what you've seen earlier in my video. EXPE, big move yesterday. If you're looking at the 1-minute chart, you observe that. More follow through today, flopped around, closed flat. If you like what you see and see what you like, follow me at MSL Trade on Twitter. Different items are under accumulation every day. It's not the same, stuff like the Apples, the Googles, the Netflix, the Teslas, all the crap that they're talking about on CNBC and Bloomberg, okay? Those stocks will have moves, but they don't happen every day. So go with the money every day. There are moves to be made every day, but the stock, the tickers change, okay? I can't tell you what's going to be up to tomorrow. Nobody knows that, okay? But we'll give it, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes to set up, have an opening range high, and then once it starts printing above that on high volume, we're almost always going to buy the pullback in the exponential 8-period moving average on the 1-minute chart and go with the strength of the stock. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.